What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today, I don't know if y'all noticed, but so my Impala hasn't been in the videos for my last few videos that I've shot, and that's because my Impala has been down here at my dad's house. So as you know, I was having problems with the drive shaft, so we took it out. We took the drive shaft out and took it to the drive shaft place, and when they got it, they said it was out of balance and it was too short. So they made me another one. So today I'm gonna put that one in. So I'm gonna put that in, get it all squared away, and then once we put that in, I'm gonna take it by there so he can take a look at the pinion angle as well, and hopefully that'll clear up that vibration. I also I'm about to get my seats done. So the guy already completed my rear seats, and now I need to take out the front seats so he can do those, and as well as put the carpet in. So today I'll be trying to knock out some of that. So all right, I'm gonna install this drive shaft, and then we're gonna go for a ride to see how she do. What's up, y'all? Finally got my drive shaft back in. That's my dad. So we're gonna see how it run after this, and if not, we'll get the pinion angle checked and go from there. What's going on, y'all? So it's been a few weeks since my last video with my Impala. It's still down here at my dad's house. We did get the drive shaft in, and it drives fine now. So it's just been sitting here. I've been waiting to get the seats done. So the seats are finally all done. I got all the leathers put in, so I came out to check it out. You see, there's my baby. So that's my sister's cars there. That's my little sister's SS, and then her Maxima. So I'll take you around front so you can see some of the other cars that we got. But here is the seats. And they look really good. I'm really impressed with the leather and everything. Everything looks really good. So now I got the seats in. I haven't put them in yet because I still have to do the trunk. Not the trunk, I still gotta do the carpet. So that's why I haven't put them in yet. The carpet box is back here as well. So yeah, that's the next step, is just to do that. Today I'm gonna take out the computer so I can take it to go get tuned with the gears, and I am gonna drive this from North Carolina back to Virginia. It's like 2.5 hours from where I am now to where it has to be at, but I'll probably leave it here for a few more weeks, and then I'll sit the carpet outside and let the carpet sit out in the sun, so it'll be a little bit easier, and then me and my dad gonna put it in. So that's the plan right now. But I did want to give y'all a quick update on it. I did have some people ask me about, hey, what's going on with your Impala? We haven't seen it, but hey, I still got it. It ain't went nowhere. It's still here. So see what I need to do. I think I gotta take off the intake tube. So yeah, just need to take off this tube. That way I can get to the computer right here. I'm gonna hook this, and then I'm gonna take this, and then next time when I come back down here, me and my dad's gonna do the carpet, and then I'm gonna drive it back. So this will be the first time driving it that far. I think the furthest I've driven it is like an hour and a half. I think I drove it. So this almost 2.5 hours. So, but yeah, here's my baby. She's still here beside my sister's car. My dad got everybody's car around here. So, but yeah, I'll show you my dad's Grand National, and this is the Grand National that I used to own. So until I found the one that I have, which has T-tops, so I sold that one to my dad, and then now we both have them. So there's the Tahoe. Drove the Tahoe down here today, and as you can see, this is why this is where I get all my cars from. As you see, they got a yard full of cars as well. I know a lot of people commented last time, yep, my daddy is a Q. That's another Camaro. That's my stepmom's Camaro. Just like my sister's is black SS, but hers is a manual. And here's my daddy's 87 Grand National. He has the badges, he just hasn't put the badges on yet. But yeah, I think this one has about, I think close to 70,000 miles on it as well. But yeah, he did a little bit of work to it, and he's gonna do a little bit more. But hey, all around, it's a good car. It drives. He did do a little motor work to it, so. And then, but yeah, here's all the toys around here. And then in the garage, there is a Stingray, and then my dad has a newer Silverado as well. So that's why people are like, man, you got a lot of cars. Like, well, that's where I got it from. Got it from my daddy. He got a lot of cars, and that's what I'm used to growing up around. So that's why I got a lot of cars, and I like working on them. So, all right, that's all I got for this video. Next video, probably with the Impala, I'll probably be putting the carpet in and doing some driving around so you can see it. But for now, it's the first time. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll holler at you next time.